First weapons detection system has been installed in a Johnston County school, and soon the rest will follow. We first told you about Johnston County's investment in this technology back in February.
North Johnston Middle School's OpenGate system is up and running. You can see the systems there have been delivered to other schools as well. WRAL's Brett Nice joining us live at Clayton High School with when other schools will get this technology. Brett?
Yeah, Lena and Gerald, North Johnston High will be next, but schools like Clayton will be right behind it. And pretty soon, everyone that walks through these doors here will go through that weapons detection system. It's something parents tell me they're on board with because at the end of the day, they just want their kids to be safe. Kids at North Johnston Middle School walk in for class just like they do every day. But now there's an added layer of security.
You don't want kids to get stuff that is not supposed to get to schools. So I believe most of it will be good.
This is the OpenGate weapons detection system that screens kids for things like guns and knives. School officials hope it will put the minds of teachers, parents, and students at ease. The district putting out these photos on Facebook showing the systems arriving onto school grounds in these large brown boxes.
Anything that's going to keep my girls safe, that's all I care about.
Johnston County School System invested $6 million into the technology, and now it's here. The main doors at all the schools will be equipped with an evolved weapons detection system, combining radio frequency sensors with artificial intelligence for screening. A product Evolve says is much more advanced than metal detectors. The OpenGate one you see here is portable, so the school system can use it at other entrances. Now that the systems have been delivered to all 48 schools, installation will happen over the next few weeks. And by the end of April, staff at all the schools will be in training on it.
They're your world. So, I mean, obviously, no matter what you want to do, it's their safety comes number one.
And now that that equipment is at these schools, officials tell me they're working as quickly as they can to get it up and running. And the goal is to have staff fully trained by the end of the school year. That way that everything is ready to go by next school year in the fall. Lena.
All right, Brett Nice reporting live for us in Clayton. Thank you.